Next one is divide by 100. How many zeros? 2. Jump twice. 1, 2. 3.007. Divide by 10,000. So how many jumps? 4 zeros, 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.5670. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to straight jump into multiplication of decimal numbers by either 10 or 100 or 1000, and similarly we are going to continue with division also. Let's see how to get to it. The very first number is, first look for the decimal point. If you cannot see the decimal point, you have to place it after the number. A very important point that I have told you. The decimal point is over here. Now because it is multiplication, we have to move the decimal point towards the right, depending upon how many zeros are there in this number. Okay, so 100 has 2 zeros. We have to jump twice because of the 2 zeros, 1 and 2. So the final answer is going to be 1230.5. So next one is again by 100. So from here, 1, 2. So the answer is going to be 745.6. Look at this one. It's multiplied by 10. So this point will come here. So instead of 0.093, we will write maybe 0.93. In this case, what was our answer, guys? 745.6. Similarly, look at the next one. We have to multiply it by 1000. Now see, here there is only 2 jumps that we can do. What about the third zero then? So see over here. 1, 2, 3, and then a decimal point. So if this place below this umbrella is empty, put a 0 over there. So the answer over here is going to be 45080. Next one is multiplied by 100. This is easy. 1 and 2. So 300.7. Sixth one is multiplied by 10,000. So 4 jumps. What will happen here, guys? 0.5674 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a 0 below here and then put a. So it's straight away 5670. Next one is multiplied by 10. So it's 896. You need not show this, and even if you show, it's fine. Okay, 896.0 is the same as 896. The next one is multiplied by 1000. How many jumps towards the right? 1, 2, 3. So straight away 4.5, and you need not write the zeros before all this. It has no value because the decimal point is already here now. The next one is, okay, multiplied by 1000. So 1, 2, how many zeros we have to add? 2 zeros. So 5, 8, 3, 2, 0, 0.0, or you can just stop at 200 and stop there. The last one again by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, now we do division. In division, instead of moving towards the right, we are going to move the decimal point towards the left. Almost the same thing we have to do. Okay, now in the very first one, the decimal point is not there, so we are going to place it over here after the number. Divide by 1000, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5.832. Decimal point is over here. Now we have to divide it by 100, so jump twice. 1, 2. 7.456. 9.3 divide by 10. Divide by 10, move one place behind. 0.93. Or even if you write 0.93, it's fine, but to make sure that the examiner or the teacher sees the point, you have to put a 0 before it. This is divide by 1000. There is no point, so we put it here. 1, 2, 3. 45.080. Next one is divide by 100. How many zeros? 2. Jump twice. 1, 2. 3.007. Divide by 10,000. So how many jumps? 4 zeros, 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.5670. 0.5670. 896 divided by 10. Come on guys, now you should know. Okay, now this is 4.5 divided by 1000. So we have to jump thrice. 1, 2, 3 from the point. Mind you, from the point we have to jump thrice. Now these are empty spaces. So first we will fill that with zeros and then put a decimal point. So it's 0. And I'm going to place a 0 over here to show that there is a point over here. Next one is divide by 100. So 1 and 2. 12.305. This is divided by 10,000. 4 places, easy now. 6.7890. That's it. Now we are going to do a mix of both. Quickly be very careful whether we have to move towards the left or the right. Multiplication, move towards the right. 2 places because there are 2 zeros. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, 0. Towards the left, 1, 2. Straight away 83 is fine. Multiplication, right. 1, 2, 3 jumps, 780. Division, jump towards the left. 0.920. Multiplication, move towards the right. 60.3. Division, jump to the left. 5.04. Multiplication, jump to the right. Okay, how many we have to jump? 4 times. Jump, 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 jump. Add a 0. So, 90. 7,000 divided by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Just 7.0 or just 7 is also fine. Multiply by 100. Come on, guys. 876.5. And the last one, 300 means the point is 0. Divide by means 30. This is all. I want you to try 10 sums on your own. I'm going to bring that up now. There you go. Write down the answers to these on a paper and then we will match our answers. Pause the video. Okay, I'm putting up the answers. That's all that is there for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.